YouTube. It's nighttime. We done made about $400 today. We done made about $400 today. And still got some more loads to do, some more money to make. But little Halliburton worker, he said when I come back my holes gotta be fixed. I got people passing me up and shit. Let's get funny with this. Show y'all what we got going on. Basically what we got a hole right here, so y'all can see, and we got sand blowing through the hole. So what we got some seal sticks, some JB weld, that's what we got going on right now. This is what I call quick repair. It's going to allow us to keep getting money. Like I said, the Halliburton worker said I can't be blowing all the damn product out. I made sure I unloaded my trailer anyway though. And he said when I come back, just have it fixed. So, like I said, we already had the product. Since we've been doing Pneumatic now, we kind of know what to kind of get. So luckily the Swift guy left me some. Ain't nothing but a little. I'm in his truck still. He been on vacation for about a month now from the company. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it, we're gonna ball it up until it turns, I think it's supposed to turn black. So just kind of mix it. It's gonna go from gray to black, I believe. Then we're gonna apply it. It needs to sit on here for about 2 hours. So we're gonna go get a shower, get some coffee, get something to eat, upload this YouTube video for the night. Let y'all see what it's like. It's freezing out here. It's about 30 degrees, so I'm cold as hell. Took my damn coveralls off, just so y'all couldn't see no logos and shit. Y'all think I'm in some type of special company or something, and it's just another company. It ain't nothing different than any other company. It ain't the highest paying company because we working for Halliburton. You know, other companies paying a lot more. A lot of y'all coming out here making a lot more because y'all going with companies that don't work with Halliburton. You know, the only difference between my company and their company is my checks may be a little bit more steady, that's all. That's about 4-5 trucks that went past me. And we getting money all day long. So right now it's starting to turn black. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and apply it right there where that hole at. Not on the outside, but on the inside. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but not sure if y'all can see it. We're gonna take it, we're gonna kind of put it right there where that hole at. Gonna make sure we cover that entire hole nice and tight. And hell, if you want, you can put something on the outside. We just want to make sure that the hole is nice and covered and make sure it's thick. Alright. So now nice and tight. Go ahead and reconnect. Basically, we're gonna let that sit on there about 2 hours and hope it works. If it don't work, we'll get some more JB Well seals, maybe a different kind, different company, different brand. We retry it. If it don't work again, we're gonna take the whole 20-foot hose off and replace it with another one. Cause I got about 40 feet up there that I can replace it with. Always good to have a hammer out here. And that repair right there took about 5 minutes. You know, when I first started that right there, that was about a couple of hours to fix right there because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Now we got the tools to make it a 5-minute fix. Can't really reach the other side. Oh, knocking it the wrong way. There we go. All right. So done, back in business. It's repaired. Make sure ain't nobody behind, there's no animals in there. The camera's still going, I see. Now that that's repaired, y'all wanna know where I'm at, man. I'm out here in the desert for real. Pitch black, it's the only light I got. You know, nothing special, it's just the desert, cold as hell. Got cows everywhere. Got the bungee cord system going on, so a whole lot of bungees going on. The buds is holding up everything. Got a coat hanger right here, that's gonna keep that in. Coat hanger method. You got to get creative out here in the oil field. Got the coat hanger. We got the 20-foot hose right here. That right there, in case this hose down here don't work, that's gonna be the replacement. We just take that off, put this one on. We got another 20-foot right here that I ain't never used. See, that's 20 foot. So these two right here useless. As you can see, it's all dented up, so the hoses won't really, see that? The hoses won't actually fit in now. Then we got the bungee. We got the bumper being held up by the bungee cord system. We got the this hose right here. I had to get creative because what happened was this morning I hit a hose hooked up to this, wrapped up here, and I forgot to lock my bungee cord system up, and the hose broke off.